going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the UGREEN USB 3.0 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter. It supports UASP and ideal for SATA 3 SSD and HDD. Uses USB 3.0 is for SATA 2.5 inches, 3.5 inches, HDD. Okay, let's get into the unboxing right away. You guys can see it's a simple box. There's some information right here in the back, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can read it. It supports Windows 98, 2000 XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X, and Linux. Okay, let's open the box. You guys can see there's a thank you card. There's some information in the back. We have here the actual adapter. You guys can see. Check that out. Nice. USB 3.0 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter. We have the model number. We have here the USB 3.0. You guys can see. Okay. Let's check what else is inside of the box. We have here the actual power supply, as you guys can see. Check that out. This is to power the adapter. And I have an example here. I have an old hard drive. It's very simple to plug it in, guys. What you do is you're going to plug the power right in the back of the adapter, so you guys can see. Then you're going to plug in the actual adapter in the back of the hard drive, just like this, and boom, and that's it. Very simple. To access your old hard drive, so what you do is you're going to plug this back into the computer, just like this. Boom. This is my mini computer. And then you're gonna power the adapter. You plug this in, and that's it. Very simple. You have access to your old hard drive using this adapter, and that's it.